Welcome to MathQuens channel. Today we are going to see 33rd question of part B of CBSE class 10th max sample paper. The 33rd question is the mode of the following data is 67. Find the missing frequency x. So here what is given is mode. Okay, mode of data is given as 67. Okay, and here class and frequency are given. Here we are having x. We need to find out the x value. This is the question. Find the missing frequency. So to find out this missing frequency, first we must know the formula of mode. Okay, what is the formula of mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Okay, so what is L? L is the lower limit of modal class. Lower limit of modal class. F1 is the frequency of the modal class. And F0 is the frequency preceding to the modal class. Okay, preceding to the modal class. And F2 is the frequency succeeding to the modal class. And H is the width of the class. Width of the class. So to write L value, we must know what is modal class. So modal class is the class having highest frequency. Here frequency table 15 is the highest. So the respective class is the modal class. So modal class is 60 to 70. In this, okay, lower limit is 60. Therefore, L value is 60. Okay, and what is the frequency corresponding to the modal class is 15. Okay, this is the modal class, this is the lower limit, and the corresponding frequency is F1. F0 is the frequency preceding to the modal class, so this is a X. F2 is the frequency succeeding to the modal class, this is 12. Width of the class is, okay, here every class is the interval of 10. Okay, 50 minus 40 is 10, 60 minus 50 is 10. Okay, so width of the class is 10. So after finding L, F1, F0, F2, H value, you substitute the value in the formula. Okay, so substitute the above values in the formula. Okay, so that mode value is 67. So you write 67 equal to L value is 60 plus what is F1 value? F1 value is 15 minus F0 value is X divided by 2 into F1, 2 into 15 minus F0 is X, F2 is 12 into 10. Okay. So what is, okay, you take 60 to the other side of the equation. So 60 becomes minus 60. Okay. you take a 60 to the other side. Therefore, 67 minus 60 equal to 15 minus x divided by 2 into 15 is 30. 30 minus 12 is 18. So 18 minus x into 10. So 67 minus 60 is nothing but 7 is equal to, you multiply 15 minus x with 10. So then you will get 150 minus 10x divided by 18 minus x. Now you cross multiply. So 7 into 18 minus x is equal to 150 minus 10x. I am writing here. So 7 into 18 is nothing but 126 minus 7x is equal to 150 minus 10x. So you take x to this left side and 126 to the right side. So 10x minus 7x is equal to 150 minus 126. This is 3x is equal to 24. So x is equal to 24 divided by 3, which is equal to 8. So the missing frequency x value is 8. Okay. Once again I am repeating. To find out the missing frequency, we need to first write the formula. Okay. And then write the values of the quantities in the formula. Okay. And then substitute the values in the formula and simplifying, and you will get the answer. Okay. The answer for this question is, the missing frequency value is 8. This is the answer for this question.